Welcome back to the GB How To channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up Auto Clicker on an Android phone. Don't skip the videos so you don't miss any important steps. First, open the Play Store. Search for the keyword Auto Clicker. Select this app. Tap on Install. Select Open. We need to grant permissions for the app. Please follow my steps. After granting the permissions, go back to the app. This is single target mode, which is the simplest one. Let me show you an example. You can adjust the interval between clicks as you like. And here is stop after with several options. I'll show you how it works. Tap here to stop. I will adjust it to be faster. This will stop after a specific amount of time you've selected. And this is the number of clicks. It will stop once it reaches the limit. Now, let's use multi-targets mode. Tap here to add a click button. Tap here to remove a click button. Tap this button to customize the delay between clicks. Tap here to add a swipe gesture. Similarly, you can adjust the stop after settings here as well. You can save your configurations for future use like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.